Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around our fresh in stock Mercedes CLA 200. This is the 2.1 diesel, it's a sport edition, finished in this gorgeous mountain grey. As you can tell, lovely paintwork, looks absolutely gorgeous. Go down to the alloys. We have an 18-inch twin spoke alloys finished in black, really good paintwork. As you can see, no scuffs, look really great. Got the nice Mercedes centre cases on there too. If we go to the front, get your Mercedes halogen headlights with daytime running lights. Because it's the sport edition, you've got the sport bumper, sport styling kit around the car. Really nice chrome trim going on the grille as well, and the Mercedes badging looks great. If you go to the sides, you have matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour. You get your indicators on there too, on black housing. Really nice chrome trim on the outside of the windows. You've got black bead pillars too. You've also got matching coloured door handles, and if you look on the roof, you can see you've got the nice panoramic sunroof as well, which is great. If we go to the back, you've got a matching coloured lip spoiler on the boot, which is a lovely little touch. If we go to the back again, you've got the nice CLA rear tail lights, which are very clear, especially on an evening. You've got the nice breakup diffuser with a bit of chrome along the bottom as well, and two chrome tips as well on either side. If we go and open up the boot, we'll press the button, the boot will open. You get great boot space, you can fit a lot in there. You just press the button, the boot will close. As you can see, we've got the nice half leather, half cloth seats with white contrast stitching. Really nice interior, very comfy as well. You've hit 3 people in there very nicely. You've also got your rear fans for your climate control, which can be adjusted in the back. And as you can see, you've got the nice sunroof as well, which is great. Going to the driving seat, you can see you've got the same style seats. You've got a bit more lumbar support with these, kind of like bucket seats. You've got the same stitching as well, which is a really nice touch, going through all of it. If we get into the car, we put the key in the ignition, put on the brake, turn the key, the car will turn on. Got the gorgeous full leather steering wheel, just turn the fans down. With controls on either side, so on this side, you've got your different controls for your virtual driving display. Get your different dials up, you see what's going on with the car and everything, which is great. Then on this side, you got your volume control, and then you got your hands free as well. You do have your floppy paddles as well, so you can use them to change gear, so it's a nice alternative. Or if not, you can use them, your automatic gearbox there. Going down with your leather door cards with your stitching going through, especially on the door handles, it looks really great as well. Just to finish all throughout the whole interior, which is nice. You have your fully electric automatic windows, the ability to lock the rear windows. You also have your electric wing mirror function. Then you've got your boot latch button, so you can just pull that and the boot will open. And your central locking button's located there. Down here you've got your automatic headlights, you can switch that to automatic so that your lights will turn on in dark, and then if it turns bright then the lights will turn off. Then you've got your side lights and dip beam and parking lights, and then you've got your fog lights too. If we go over to the media display, control through this panel down here or your quick navigation buttons. You can see that you've got the really nice media display. This does actually have navigation, but we don't keep the SD cards in the car until sale, but this does have nav. If we go to radio, turn this down quickly. You can see if we go to waveband, you've got FM and AM radio stations. You've also got DAB, sorry not DAB, you've also got Bluetooth and USB capability to connect your own phone, so you can listen to your own music, which is great through media. You can also connect your own phone to speak through the car for hands-free as well, so you can take calls through the car, which is great. If you put the car in reverse, you can see we have the nice parking sensors, which is front and rear. You get a nice display there. With the sensors, it will show you how close you are to the range by just going up with the red gauge there, which is great. Moving down, we have the parking sensor button, which you can turn on and off, automatic stop start, hazard lights, and then you've also got your dynamic mode selection, so you can put the car in dynamic mode for a bit more responsiveness, comfort mode for normal everyday driving, and eco mode if you want to try and save a bit of fuel, which is great. Moving down, you got your climate control, with dual zone climate control. You can change temperatures on either side, which is great. You can change the temperatures, get your air conditioning and air circulation, which is lovely. If you open up here, you got 12 volt, some storage space. Open up this part, you got some more storage space. If you pull this back a bit, you got your 2 drinks holders or a card holder. Take this out, you can make more room. Put that back in, you can have your cards in there. And if we open up here, got some more storage space. You've obviously got your USB points and then your screen mirroring point as well. So if you've got any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.